What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys why your Shopify store is unavailable. Now if you have this problem, that this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys two ways on how you can fix this. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify store and you want to log into your Shopify store. Now I'm going to log into my Shopify store right now. As you can see, this is my Shopify store. I actually have some products here, as you can see. Now, if your store is unavailable, there are two reasons for that. Now, the first reason, guys, is you haven't picked a plan. Okay, you have to pay in order to use Shopify, so you have to pick a plan, and you only pay like $1 for the first 3 months. Okay, you need to click on settings, as you can see here, and you want to click on plan. And you need to click on choose plan. And if you are just starting out, you want to go with the basic one. It says here $1 for the first 3 months. Okay, now you want to choose the basic one here. Keep in mind that after 3 months, if you don't cancel the subscription, you will be charged more than $1. Of course, you will be charged like $25. Okay, now like I said, you want to go with the basic one if you are just starting out. And you want to pick the plan, then enter here your credit card information, stuff like that, and then pay that. Okay, now if you still have this problem after you select the plan, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on online store. Okay, and then you want to scroll down and click on preferences. Now after, guys, you click on preferences, what you need to do, guys, is to remove the password from your Shopify store. Now a lot of people have a password, as you can see. You just want to scroll down. Okay, now it says here password protection, limit who can access your online store. Now if you have put here a password, if you give the link, or if someone clicked your Shopify store, they won't be able to see the products and like stuff you have imported to your Shopify store. Now the reason for that is because you have a password. Okay, to remove this password, like I said at the beginning, is you have to select a plan. If you don't select the plan, you will find this grid. As you can see, it says here restrict access to visitors with password. Now I am not going to be able, guys, to uncheck this. Okay, this box, I am not able to uncheck it because I didn't select a plan. Now for you, after you select, guys, a plan, you will be able to uncheck this and you will be able to remove this password, and then you want to click save in the top right. Now everyone with a link, they can have full access to your Shopify store, and you will not receive a message like this store or this shop is currently unavailable. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.